Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Will Smith. Bibliography. The members are Juliana Puchaycela, Diana Carrión, Carmen Quinche, Janet Reyes y Ariana Dávila. Introduction. This project is important since we want to make know why Will Smith is considered one of the best actors. His films are of great inspiration since they leave a positive reflect message for children and adults. Addiction Will has a great personality, which causes his movie to be very interesting. We like Carl Smith Jr. has a born in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania on September 25, 1968. Better known as his Will Smith. His parents were Willard Carroll Smith and Carolyn Bright. He is an American actor, rapper, film producer, television producer, and record producer.
Development. Will Smith has been successful in both of his artistic phases. He has been nominated for 4 Golden Globe Awards and 2 Oscar Awards and has won 4 Grammy Awards. In 1980, the rose to fame as a rapper under the name The Fresh Prince. In 1990, his fame increased dramatically when he starred in the television series The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. In the mid-1990s, he moved from the television field, starring in numerous blockbuster movies. He also received a special award for his contribution to music.
Forbes considers him the most profitable star in the world since his films have generated more than $100 million in American box office, and in turn have reached number 1 in its premiere. His most financially successful films have been Two Rebel Coops 2, Independence Day, Men in Black 2, Men in Black 3, I, Robot, Looking for Happiness, I Am Legend, Hancock, Wild Wild West, Public Enemy, Shark Squad, Hit, Seven Souls, Suicide Squad, and After Earth.
For example, we can appreciate that the movie In Pursuit of Happiness leaves us with a soulful message that says, don't let anyone say that you are incapable of doing some things, not even me. If you have a dream, you must keep it. Will Smith provides us with great examples of struggles because he teaches us that if we have a dream, we must pursue is to achieve our goals and not give bad comments. Without doubt, this film reflects his great work as the best actor in the world. Thank you.
Will Smith has a very careful and fun personality. He likes to clown around making jokes, but at the same time he's very sensitive and creative. Generally his way of thinking caused disagreement that drew the attention of internet users in addictions. He donated a large amount of money to help the victims of Hurricane Katrina. His personality is also due to his religious beliefs since he has made positive comments such as I'm a Christian, I'm a student of all religions, and I respect all people and an old parent.
Will Smith confesses that the hardest part on how was getting into the shows of the man hope be that thing was going to stronger the punk on rising, a children to working a numerous employer. He also emphasized that the Henry experience she living in during the recording time on the sets of in searching on happiness. Since in ideals win real events to provide better opportunities for the children.
Will Smith's life is important since it teaches us the work and effort to achieve our dreams, in addition to the fact that his great achievements have stood out for what has become one of the most important actors in the world. It is very influential since his personality has values has managed to possibly impact many people. Go take it is an example of the life. Thank you.